Hello guys, and the dream come true. We finally get the Rebecca to our collection. So this doll is historical doll and she's from 1914. She is a Russian Jewish girl, very beautiful. And today we opening the doll. We have a book. This is the book. I don't know what is here, it's empty. Okay, and here we go. I don't have even idea how to open. I don't know. Okay, so I guess we just cut with the scissors. Ta-da! We opening a new doll. Rebecca is coming. Wow, it's so secured. Yay! Okay, so we'll clean the hands. And here we are. Oh, the legs also. I hope that all our dolls will be happy to meet new friend. Thank you for watching.